Welcome to the Clerical MagView application instructional videos. The next 5 videos are part of a 5-part series for daily and weekly worklist maintenance. Video 5.1 will cover no-shows, canceled appointments, and rescheduled appointments. Video 5.2 will cover fast-track reports and daily maintenance. Video 5.3 will cover waiting for priors worklist and daily maintenance. Video 5.4 will cover radiologist requests, which consists of reports on hold pending signed work lists and the daily maintenance associated. And video 5.5 will cover incomplete reports, which is previously known as WIP, and we will cover the patient clarity report, which occurs on a weekly basis. This is video 5.1, where we will cover no-shows, canceled appointments, and rescheduled appointments. This occurs on a daily basis. Cancellation or deletion must occur through the center's risk system for an ORM message or order to be sent to the MagView application. This will clear the appointment from the technologist work list. Please confirm with your risk application specialist which risk action will send the cancellation message downstream to the MagView application, as terminology may be different between risk vendors. If you have a patient that has no-showed, you will need to follow this procedure. If you pre-arrived the patient, again, you will need to perform this action if you have a patient that calls to reschedule an appointment or has decided to cancel their appointment that same day and reschedule. Canceling the appointment in the risk first and then rescheduling the new appointment. And that is the end of this video. Thank you.